Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's actually today Sunday, January the 12th, 2025, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 9890. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 12 and it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here one dual box. 1 and a 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? See here, one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Okay. Next question. Do we have here a quadrat box? I see here a quadrat box. It contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Here another quadrat box. Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadrat boxes. Here another quadrat boxes. Same situation. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yes. Here, another one upside down. This box, same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Then that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. We have only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the S construction? Yeah, if you rotate this, you will get the S. If you flip the S, you will get the Z. It's the same shape. The S construction. Oh, the S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, only one S construction in this puzzle. Then the following shape, I believe the L shape. We have one shape left. The L shape, let me draw this here. The L shape, when you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes in this puzzle here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, maximum are 6 here. We have all the shapes in this puzzle. Maximum 6. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this squash area. Supposed to be here. Done. Well. Let me think. Come on. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Well, is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 4. But I cannot place a 4 in the triple box. So can be a 4. This box should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or 4. We have a 1 now. So this box should be a 4. And here I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 4 should be there. If I place a 4 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 4. But we already have a 4 here. So it can be a 4 here. Not a solution, place the 4 there. The only place level 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 3. But we already have a 3 here. So it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2 then. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this S construction should be there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. And now. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. And this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this cross area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. Supposed to be there, so 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be there. Then, let me think. 1 and the 4, These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box. For number 1. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5 is also connected with that box. Should be so 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 1. We have a 1 here. So this can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 3 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box, supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 2, because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this quadra box. For numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the last puzzle for the weekend, the Sunwise Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.